Alright guys, uh, here is a quick tutorial about Teach Illinois and where you guys are as far as your trying advancements go. There's two different places, and it's kind of wonky, but that's the way that Docebo is, and I don't have any control over that. So there's this hamburger over here, which is where you will find your dashboard, and this is basically the side as if you were a learner. Okay? If you're an administrator, you want to go into this gear over here and look at these. So if you want to start a course, you're going to go over here to courses. If you want to manage your users, you want to go here. Okay? And then you can make groups and all that kind of stuff. So for courses, you're going to go to the gear in the upper right-hand corner, over here to courses, and these are all the courses in Teach Illinois. Okay? But they're not going to show up to people in Teach Illinois or to people in Triad until you put them in the catalog. Okay, and that comes next. So you create the course and then you put it in the catalog. Right? So up here in new course, you give it a course name. You're going to pick a thumbnail. You can even upload your own. I just went on Canva and made little squares. Give it a description, some kind of course code. Click confirm and that. Okay, and then you can go in and add your course material. Okay. And you should be able to make an assignment, create tests, upload videos, upload files. If you're going to upload videos, you can do YouTube videos or Vimeo videos. And then I sent you the file for the ISBE form for the evaluation workshops. All right. If you come back over here then to catalog, course catalog, okay, you have access to the Triad CSD number 2 catalog. And right now, there's nothing in it. And you have one group of users. If you click on that, it's the Triad branch, all 295. Okay? So you can put things in the catalog by clicking on the little bullet points, and then you can assign courses. And then once you've created a course, once you click on this Assign Course button, they will be there to assign, okay, to the catalog. And then only if they're in the catalog will they be visible to the users of Teach Illinois or to your Triad in Teach Illinois. All right? So I hope that helps.